Let's go. Divium Furor is not talking about Lost Ark for once. He is talking about the acquisition of Proletariat or whatever, like the studio that made some game or whatever. Let's see what the comments are saying. That will help the franchise, but it will definitely help Bobby afford his next yacht. How? If like acquisition costs money like that. The consumer is only there to give money, and we will not expend resources we don't have to, especially for a boob slider or systems that aren't shit, or an actual story. I mean, I think plenty of people would give top dollar for a boob slider in WoW, I'm just saying. Or an actual story on any adaptation of anything in the books most casuals haven't bothered with. Spellbreaker tried their own thing, now they'll be stuck in a 15-plus-year-old thing. No, WoW is old, that is its issue. It's so outdated and looks outdated in most areas in the game that not many new players will try it. And they're only... I don't agree. Look at... When people talk about like WoW graphics, I agree. I don't like WoW graphics are dated, but bro, look at Minecraft, okay? Like straight up just look at Minecraft. And their only valuable market is players who quit before, who might try a new update again. Yeah. You know how many players quit? A bit over 10 million probably at this point. Or about 10 million. That's a lot of players to try it again. I don't think Minecraft has 13 million active players. Maybe it does, I don't know. Even WoW going free to play isn't going to do much. I think WoW going free to play is actually going to do a lot. If they were smart, they would have taken the hundreds of millions of dollars they made and create a new WoW game in a modern engine. Nope. Because the game is shit. I will never play WoW mainly due to how fucking ancient dinosaur old it is. WoW 2 is like Unreal Engine 5? That will interest me. Yeah. See, I think he says it, but no, it won't. You're wrong. WoW 2 is completely unnecessary and nobody has put a significant amount of time into the game wants that. Yes, it has old zones, but nobody has to play those. You basically start your character in the 2020 starting zone and then level in the 2018 BFA expansion. Then level 50 switch over to the 2020 Shadowlands or 2022 Dragonflight expansion end of this year. The graphics are fine for an MMO. They're fully reworking the talent trees. I mean, I am pretty sure with Dragonflight the game will have the best new player experience an established game can have. This is, guys, some opium. How much time wasting hamster wheel bullshit they put in the end game will decide if WoW gets a renaissance or has to find die by fire. Die by fire. The end game grind is gonna be, again, it's pretty much the worst part about WoW. Like every end game issue with WoW has its separate issues. Like raiding has its own issue, Mythic Plus has its own issues, and what's called PvP has its own balance issues. But like, and you can't fix all of them with just one fix. They all have like separate issues. I had no idea you worked on Spellbreak. I love that game. Too bad it died so fast. Wait, he worked on Spellbreak? I hate Battle Royale, but I gave Spellbreak a chance because I like the Gauntlet spell. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's see what this is. Alright, Furor, my comrade brother from another mother in Russia. Давай посмотрим, что мы тут смотрим. Let's go.
Thanks to this charming individual. So we're gonna talk about World of Warcraft. And to be more precise, Activision Blizzard acquiring Proletariat Studio that is behind the Spellbreak. But before we go into it, shout out to my support.
Hey, buddy. Big Dick Donators. Walid Al-Bawardi. Figvam. What a name, Figvam. Figvam is basically means this. Okay, this is Figvam, which basically means this. Like the middle finger. Adstellar, Synthetic Thief, Azerti, Hauko, Ko-Fi subscribers, Tony, and Luan Shiro. Good, man. I'm glad Furor is getting more donators and subscribers. Good for him. I do hope he gets more and more. His streams right now, like, it's a work in progress. Yeah. His videos though are hilarious. Quality is good enough. I mean, he's putting effort into the videos. I love his videos. Overall, his humor is fantastic. I do want him to get much bigger, and yeah, let's go with the video.
Who make that video possible. Thank you.
What? About wow. Even play.
What you say is absolutely correct. I am not playing World of Warcraft right now. But I
he
was
used to.
involved in Spellbreak development. And
Interesting.
now the Spellbreak team will be working on World of Warcraft. So you can expect some cogs gonna carry over to the World of Warcraft franchise. Unfortunately, I am unable to provide you with any nitty-gritty details. It was, you know, very long time ago, almost 4 years, and they deleted the developer channel. And the second issue is, it's me who they cooperate with. So guess what? The game is not ready. It's like 40% done. Everything is laggy. And what is the first thing what Wizard asks on general chat? Is there gonna be a boob slider? And I remember back then, someone like Big Boss General Manager see my message. And I remember back then, someone like Big Boss.
And Mint was so.
General Manager see my message and reply to me in very polite way. We are not making game for commerce like you. So the communication.
Bro, yes you are. Yes you are. Who do you think majority of your players gonna be? They're gonna be kids, mostly male, kids to like boomers, like mid-age 30s, whatever. Those are the people who are gonna play because they're the ones who still play video games because they grew up on video games and they want boobs in their video games, man.
The game was very good. They have also, you know, some solid ideas behind the game mechanic. You know, skills combined together, kaboosh, Well, about execution, let's say 7 out of 10. A bit buggy, but hey, what did you expect? Stoners like
14.
me were involved in, you know, book checks and
That's so good. Why this happened?
In my opinion.
Why what happened? Spell break, players right now 113, 158, 5,000, 5,500 at most. Yeah. Honestly, I haven't even heard of the game, so...
In my opinion, there was 2 major contributing factors that the game didn't fly. First one you can discover when you look on the Spellbreak poster. So as you can see, you have female character, you have, you know, black character, and you have also, how they call them, gender neutral character.
Oh god.
Classic Twitter virus.
I understand why Blizzard acquired them. Bro, okay. Oh, wait.
Gender neutral, and you...
Like, if he doesn't mention it, you don't really see it. But if that was the mentality, that's really bad. I don't mind, like, again, and I'm really against this whole, like, forcing people to talk in certain language that they don't agree with. Again, I don't care. If you want to call a he a she, I don't give a shit. Like, I'll call you whatever you want. If you want to call you grass, I'll call you grass. I don't care. Anyways, but I don't think that this specifically indicates that. Just have robots. Those are the, I guess, the gender neutral, whatever. I mean, they're robots, so sure. Females, I would say like this: who is the target audience? That's really what it is. Who's the target audience? If the target audience is, like, again, Spellbreak, if it's a shooter, if it's what do you call it, a battle royale, I'm sorry, I would say 85 to 95% of your player base are gonna be kids. You're not making Animal Crossing here, are you? Yeah, they're gonna be kids. Guess what? Kids like boob sliders. Shit, I'm 30 years old. If I make a female character, boobs are to the max, asses to the max, and then we figure out the proportions after. It's just what we do. We want to see some jiggle jiggle when we run around. It's just what we do. I played Blade and Soul. I enjoyed every second while I played it because it jiggle jiggle, you know. A jiggle jiggle jiggle.
You have also, how they call them, gender neutral character. Yeah. Classic Twitter virus. You want to include
classic
everyone.
Twitter virus. I love it.
Offend anyone.
Where is it? I was not included here. Where's the white man? Where's the white Russian man, huh? I don't see him included. Where's the Indian guy? Where's the native guy? Where's the transvestite?
Not too much revealing old video, you know, classics, modern classics. And in today's day and age, if your game want to succeed and, you know, go through the ceiling, it need to stink. Because we are now bombarded every day with, you know, thousands of information. Oh, Tits, Amber Heard, Johnny Depp, scams, cock, us. Tons of informations, tons of information. So you need to feel like stink. It's like, oh. You need to feel the game stinks so you can remember it and care about it. And if it's like milled curry, it's whatever. The second major contributing factor where they release the Battle Royale game in the same time where other Battle Royale game have its peak popularity and growing stronger every day. So
Warzone?
that was just, you know, very unlucky operation.
Did they release it during like when Warzone was released?
So dear World of Warcraft and this unfortunate.
Do you think? Okay, here's a conspiracy for you. Do you think that Activision Blizzard knew of this game, purposefully released Warzone or timed Warzone patch or whatever with that release, because they were planning on buying that company later, but they needed them to do poorly first? I won't put it beyond Blizzard to do that. That's actually like, that's a good business move.
Definitely this wizard predict that you will get some extra skills and some fancy whoosh. But in terms of story and visual fidelities, old cock-ass classic. Anyway, that's it what I have for you today. You can still check Spellbreak game. It's gonna close early 2020-2023. For now, it's gonna be opened until end of the year. And yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you next time.
So is this a commercial for Spellbreak or It's a good song though. I do not remember where this is from. I feel like that this song, the music is from end of like Warcraft 3 Reign of Chaos or something like that. There's a good sociopath stare. Yeah, man, if a girl's eyes flare out, run. It can't get any worse, brother. Famous last words. Oh, God. I hate Battle Royale, but I gave Spellbreaker a chance because I like the Gauntlet spellcasting combat. On release, it had a Battle Royale or Team Deathmatch hybrid mode that was really fun. One day they changed it for Dominion, which was mid. But I thought when they changed it that it was going to be a rotating modes. Never rotated, and it never went back. It was just Dominion forever. So I quit because it was so fucking boring. It seems they decide to put all their effort into the in-game store, so fuck them, I guess. Oh no! If that's their history, I really don't want them on WoW right now. True, I'm here thanks to the bald man. Really? I didn't know he watched this. Oh god. Alright. Or maybe like he watched this, the Divium Furor, and because that this guy subscribed. Kind of like how I found Divium Furor as well, because of Asmongold. Yeah, I have a lot of red flags about Spellbreak, and it has nothing to do with the game itself. It seems like it just has to do with the company itself. Anyways, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.